So
Cool.
once you know, all right, cool, we got some target pages, let's build some links to this. Your
Yeah.
outreach strategy, you don't want to have to pay for links. So what does it look like? Are you looking at sending hundreds of emails, thousands of emails, or are you on the boat where you go, let's find the most contextual, relevant piece of content on the web for those target keywords, and let's build a relationship with them rather than just going cold outreach to a million people? Or is it somewhere in between? Is there a blend?
Yeah, there's a blend. So by the way, I do have clients that are cool with paid links. So let's say 20% of our links come from paid opportunities. So I'm definitely not against that, but it's just personally, I don't like it. I like to charm people into getting stuff. But about the outreach, we do cold outreach for every client. I think we do like 30 a day, and with some projects it takes I don't know, 400 emails to get enough links, and with other ones it just keeps on going and it takes thousands, but it's never like in the hundreds or anything like that. Absolutely not. I think what's different is that when people look at scaling and quality, so quality would be a bespoke email, right? So a very unique email that's meant for one specific person. A template is something you use for multiple people. Use the same thing. It has a little bit of personalization, like the first name or stuff like that, but that's it. But I like to go in the middle, where yes, I'm doing templates, but I'm making sure that the copy of the template is very targeted for that audience.
So not personalized.
So
there's a difference between targeted and personalized, right? So you mean target?
No, it's personalized. It's personalized, but it's not bespoke. Okay. Yeah, it's personalized and targeted, but it's not bespoke. So okay, let me give you an example. I've given this example before, but it's for a computer brand, and then they're focused on printers, right? So for graphic designers. Was it graphic designers? I don't know, but. So we looked into what are the most annoying things that graphic designers have to deal with. And it's where the client wants changes one day before the deadline or something, and I want it by next day at 12 p.m.
I'm laughing because my friend is a graphic designer, and I know his frustrations.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, exactly. So that's the thing. So, can I get a link from it? But anyway, so in a subject line, we said, I love your style, or I love your design, but so they open the email, and then it's but can you make the font a little bit funnier, and I want to have these colors. Oh, and can you make it look more like Apple by Wednesday 12 p.m. Thank you. So a designer that opens the email is just like super annoyed, but he's also laughing because it's exactly one of their biggest annoyances. And then you go into the whole email where, I understand how it is. I want to help you educate your audience, which are your potential clients, right? And this is how. So that's what I mean with targeted. You don't just do a generic email. You make it targeted for a specific audience, or you can also make it targeted around the current trend. So I also did emails themed with Squid Game or Lord of the Rings or stuff like that.
I love it. I want to just highlight something for the audience that may not have may not have heard what I heard. What I heard is that you did outreach. It's personalized. It's not bespoke. It's personalized, but targeting to that person. But what I heard was you helping and adding value to that person by asking if they would like to link to a valuable resource that they don't have to create for themselves, that they can send their traffic to from their site, right?
Yeah, exactly. And that's how you should reverse engineer some of your content and your linkable assets. Like, so a part of my audience are graphic designers, or we're focusing on them right now because they have the highest CRO or whatever. So what are their problems, and how can we help them solve their problems? And not with your products, right? But it's just on social. If somebody says, "Oh, keto is so bad," and then you don't have the time to convince them, so you link to a case study. Then you say, "Yeah, but it's not bad. Look, scientists says it."